Assalamualaikum and hi. Today, I want to present a very interesting topic to discuss, which is mimicry in the prey defense. Before we go deep to this topic, let me ask, what is mimicry? I give 3 seconds to answer. 3, 2, 1. Yes, mimicry is the action or skill of imitating someone or something. In this pre-defense context, mimicry can be determined as a strategy of a species resembling another species for predator avoidance. Usually, both species live in the same habitat. This action is important for some species to avoid the predator attacking them. This is because predator will avoid attacking the toxic and venomous species rather than the harmless species. This means the mimic species will survive because the predator cannot differentiate within the harmless species and the harmful species. The mimicry in prey defense is divided by two, which are Batesian and Mullerian. According to NCBI, Batesian mimicry is a phenomenon of which members of palatable species gain protection from predation by resembling or mimicking the defensive signaling of the unpalatable or defended species. This mimicry occurs when there are two species. First, the mimic species commonly harmless, and the second, the model that is harmful. So, the predator lives to avoid the harmful species and gets scammed by the mimic harmless species. Normally, both species are from different genus and family. Here is an example: the mimic octopus or Thaumactopus mimicus. This seabed marine life uses its ability to mimic several species of other sea life like the poisonous flatfish. Now, it mimics the venomous marine fish, which is lionfish. Last but not least, it also can mimic this dangerous sea snake by burying itself in the sand and letting two of its tentacles move around, like this. Next, Mullerian mimicry is a phenomenon in which two or more species with effective defense share a similar appearance or signaling. This mimicry consists of two or more harmful species that are not closely related. This strategy is usually used by two species of the same genus or family. They will mimic each other to survive from the predator. We can see this Mullerian mimicry in the flower garden. Oh, here it is. Which one do you think is the mimic species? The right one. The palatable butterfly is known as Viceroy butterfly. The Viceroy species mimics its relative butterfly, which is the monarch butterfly. This mimicry is effective due to the design and shape of Viceroy butterfly quite similar to the monarch butterfly that tastes bad. So, the bird will not attack this kind of butterfly for their meals. This is the summary between both mimicry. Batesian is harmless species that mimic the harmful species, while Mullerian, the less harmful, mimic the more harmful one. Usually, Batesian is both species from different genus and family, but Mullerian commonly from the same genus and family. Example here, a harmless hoverfly looks like a wasp that can sting, and on the other hand, the bee that can harm to looks the same as the wasps which sting more. From this video, you can differentiate between two types of mimicry, which is Batesian and Mullerian. Both Batesian and Mullerian mimicry are two biological phenomena in which animals resemble another organism to avoid predator. The natural biodiversity on this planet still keeps a lot of secrets and treasure for us to explore.